Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Intermountain Healthcare, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Intermountain Healthcare. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the login option. This option is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to check for any typos before proceeding. Next, move to the password field. Carefully input your password. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a Forgot Password link. Click this link to initiate the password recovery process. Once you have entered your username and password, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Wait for the page to load your account dashboard. If the credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged in. If there are any issues, you will receive an error message. In that case, double-check your username and password. You can also try resetting your password if necessary. After logging in, navigate through the dashboard to access your desired section. Explore the various features available to manage your healthcare needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.